She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl.
I did a raspberry cheesecake bar with homemade blackberry syrup. Good morning, Honolulu. I am here in Ala Moana area. I had to take my mom to the dentist this morning, and I've got Deacon, so we are just going to go walk around Ala Moana, and I have to return this Apple Pencil Pro that I got, but we'll see if I'm able to return it because it's not currently compatible with my current device, my current iPad. Realizing now that my iPad's like 3 years old, so honestly I was like, should I get a new iPad? And I'm kind of thinking about getting the iPad mini because I think that one is compatible, and I think I have a 13-inch one. I also would love to get a car wash on this SUV since I haven't actually gotten one done, but I'm just getting to the mall now, so come with me. Here we are. How cute are these? I'm in the new Levi's store. I haven't been in this. Store looks really good too. Oh, they've got those. This is cute. It's like a skirt. And here we are. This is cute too. I love this 100% cotton shirt, and also I'm wearing my 94 baggies. Back in the car now, going to pick up my mom from her dentist appointment, and Ala Moana was so much fun today. I'm just driving by the new development that they also have here on Ke'aumoku, and I love it, actually love it so much. I had a lot of fun at the mall. Deacon was a hit in the Apple store. Everyone was just loving him and saying hi to him, and he was just loving walking around a different side of Ala Moana that we haven't walked around before. At the nail salon with this guy. Errands and holo holo. We are just finishing up our errands for the day, our town day. We just got our nails done. Thank you to my mommy because she treated me, and thank you to Deacon for being such a good boy the whole time. Now maybe we'll grab some food before heading back home.
She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl.
Yeah.
She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl. She's
We're here at Ono's, one of my favorite since high school. They renovated.
loving it. She's a vintage girl. She's a vintage girl. She's a
Combo. I used to love getting hopper rice, but it's not really a thing anymore. So I just got brown rice. This is what I got. This is the best. They have the best spicy ahi. Wow, it looks good. Deacon, you want some? Yeah, I'm gonna give you some. Okay, you want to try this one? A little bit spicy? Yep.
Okay.
Deacon approved. And mukbang continues. It was so good. If you haven't tried this, make sure to get it. This is the number 7 spicy ahi with brown rice. So soft and yummy. And the best thing about this place is the sauce that they put on the rice is so good. Harakaka Ako, they have the rice factory. Look for the sign. But here we are. So cute in here. Alright, hi. We are here at the rice factory. It's my first time here. I just bought some rice for us and I'm excited about it.
I know you're looking at me. Said I know you're looking at me.
Glad to be here.
Know you're looking at me. I know you're looking at me. On a summer's night in '05, we were dressed in white, skin tanned. We were feeling fine. Said I love you too. Everything was cool, still in school, and we broke the rules.
Oh, they have this one too.
Said I love you too. Everything was cool, still in school, and we broke the rules. I know you're looking at me.
Good, how to cook rice. Oh, and it shows you all the places that the rice came from. Mixed rice.
Know you're looking